This is a totally old video from the 90s. Looks like it. Mark, sleep. Mark, sleep now. Anybody has an Xbox 360? Can you please give it to me for a good price? Mine's broke. Can't fix it. Who's Wanda? The heck? Ma, tawag ka. Tawag ka daw. Tawag ni Mark sa'yo, Wanda. Eh, sino si Wanda? Mark, sleep. Sleep.
Sleep now? Want to sleep now? You want to sleep? What happened? What happened?
I have a weird laugh.
You broke it.
Oh no!
Wanda!
Ah! Yan pala ang tawag dyan.
Wanda.
That's what he's saying, Wanda.
What?
Wanda? He's got shit like the hands.
Yeah.
You return that, return. Return the basket.
Mark, fix your toys. Sleep na.
Hans. Answer.
No.
Mark.
I get wet. Yeah, but it's on the Wanda.
Close the light.
No.
Close.
No. No. Where did it
No.
go? There's a paper. Wanda!
Wanda?
Wanda to ng Wanda.
Wanda.
Doing Wanda. Hey, let's go to click. Slappy, look go, Wanda.
This is actually colored.
Toys. Wanda, so you Wanda.
Ay, abot na pala niya. Ay, hindi pala.
Wanda? Yes!
Ah! Hindi yung sabi on the wrong side. Different areas. That part used to be there and then that part used to be there.
Wanda!
Anybody with an Xbox 360, can you please give it to me for an affordable price? Nothing below 6,000 pesos. I'm from the Philippines. My nephew still doesn't know how to use a spoon and fork. Not that ashamed.
Night.
Night, Mark. Sleep na, Mark. Mark, sleep na.
No, it's gonna go. Wanda. Bye.
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 Ayusin mo yung upuan.
Bye.
Bye. Ayusin mo yung upuan sa mga ilaw.
Bye.
Guguluhin naman niya si... That's all with my nephew.